Hilandar. The Serbian monastery of Hilandar has survived for 8 centuries on Mount Athos in northern Greece, in the monastic community which comprises 20 monasteries and numerous sketes and kelea. The monastery was founded in 1198 by Stefan Nemanja, that is monk Simeon, the founder of a long-lasting dynasty, and by his son Sava, the first Serbian archbishop. It has survived thanks to the support from the Serbian rulers, nobility, believers from different walks of life, Russian benefactors, but primarily thanks to the devotion of its monks. It is a large place of worship and a rich treasure of art that have survived from previous centuries. Any visitor will get to know the monumental church, King Milutin's foundation, with frescoes from the beginning of the 14th century. More than 800 icons made between the 12th and the 19th centuries, 1,000 old manuscripts, of which some are embellished with illuminations, also 11 smaller churches painted with frescoes from the 14th to the 18th centuries, sheltered by powerful fortifications, and many other treasures. At the same time, Hilandar is a holy place with miracle-working icons and holy relics where prayer and silence reign supreme.
Hilandar. Na Svetoj gori u severnoj Grčkoj, monaškoj zajednici 20 manastira i mnogih skitova i kelija, već 8 vekova traje i srpski manastir Hilandar. Osnovali su ga 1198. godine Stefan Nemanja, monah Simeon, rodonačelnik dugoveke dinastije i njegov sin Sava, prvi srpski arhijepiskop. Opstao je blagodareći pomoći srpskih vladara, plemića, vernika iz raznih staleža, ruskih darodavaca, ali pre svega požrtvovanosti njenih monaha. Bio je i ostao veliko molitveno mesto, ali i prebogata riznica umetničkih dela preostalih iz proteklih stoleća. Posetilac, ljubitelj umetnosti, upoznaće monumentalnu crkvu sa freskama iz početka 14. veka, zadužbinu kralja Milutina, preko 800 ikona nastalih između 12. i 19. veka, 1000 starih rukopisa od kojih su neki sa minijaturnim ukrasom, 11 manjih crkava sa freskama od 14. do 18. veka u manastirskim zdanjima, zaštićenim moćnim utvrđenjem i mnoge druge dragocenosti. U isti mah Hilandar je i pokloničko mesto sa čudotvornim ikonama i svetim moštima, gde caruju molitva i samoća.